Thikũ ya KERI ya igeranio cia KCSE, maabitha nene kuma ministry-ini ya githomo ni mathire na mbere na mihang'o ya kuhingura container cia igeranio o ndumwe na kunyabara uria mihang'o ino igutwarithagio na mbere. Kiroko kio muthe mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya githomo Belio Kipsang auma thukuru-ini wa airetu wa Moi mwena wa Kibra guku Nairobi kuria arutire mukana kuria arugamiriri ya igeranio iguru rigie gucererwo gwikinyia ceceni-ini cia igeranio, akiuga ni mekuerwo ikinya ria kiwatho kuona uguo ni kuna watho wa igeranio na kwaga uigĩrĩrĩki wira-ini wao uria mehokeirwo.
It is only that these funny friends of ours in the social media, while we are doing our exam, we are already 1.5 hours into it, they are celebrating posting, and that is where our colleagues who are supervisors and invigilators, what that tells us is that there is somebody in our process who is betraying our process. We have a depository where everybody deposits the phone and we move around.
Gukinyaniria na riu andu 10 ni maikitio ngono aria kurerikana maretuite gukorwo mari na maratathi ma igeranio icigo ku ministry ya githomo ikiranira kurutithania wira na ministry ya ukinyaniria niguo kunina ciiko cia wikinaĩ nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria.
And I can assure all of us again that quite a number of these sites have been brought down. We are engaging with other jurisdictions to deal with some of the social media sites that require an extended engagement.
Kipsang augite igeranio ici no igathie na mbere tariki 13 kiumia twerekeire ona thengia wa thirikari kwanirira muthi ucio gugakorwo ari thiguku ya kibũrũri ya uhandi wa miti.
Having consulted with our colleagues, we are all agreeing that it will not have any impact on our examinations. We shall proceed with our examinations on the 13th.
Praise the Lord.
Agitongoria mihang'o ino mwena wa Kapsoya kaunti-ini ya Uasin Gishu, minister wa THUKU Simon Chelugui ni ugite ministry ya githomo hamwe na ya ugitiri wa thiini ni igukorwo iking'ethanira na aria othe megukuruhanio na wici o wothe wa igeranio, akiuga thirikari ndikunira ritho watho uyu kiunwo.
As a government, we are committed to ensure we deliver credible results. This will mean we will not condone and we will pursue any person who want to undermine such a great exercise in our country.
Kuhana guo ministry ya githomo ni yugite mitaratara yothe ya igeranio ni igathikitwo niguo gutigirira igeranio ici ni ciatafanio na njira ya waragania rungu rwa urangiri munene. Handũ-inĩ ha KAMEME TV njĩtagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.